in Tarpon Springs, and look at the most amazing little Greek village. And we're in it's amazing. Look at all the great products that they have here. Sponges and soap. It's amazing. So incredible. They make great gifts, just already embedded in